The number of people killed and infected by the coronavirus across Latin America and the Caribbean continues to rise. So too does anger at the way governments have been handling the pandemic. Protests in Mexico, with more than 1 million people infected, to Brazil with more than 6.5 million. Hopes rest on a vaccine.
We know that delivering a vaccine will be challenging and costly. In fact, the latest projection from the COVAX facility from Latin America and the Caribbean estimated that vaccinating around 20% of the population will cost more than $2 billion.
But already weak economies have been devastated by the pandemic, with businesses closed, thousands losing their homes, and health services stretched to breaking point. All are impatient to see an effective vaccine introduced.
La atención médica.
Medical care, vaccines and medicines must be free and universally available.
Few others are expecting the vaccine to be free, but affordable and easily available. Argentina has already bought 9 million doses to cover 10% of its population.
Cooperation and solidarity are the key elements in the fight against the pandemic. This fight is not just a task for governments, it's a collective responsibility for the international community that requires a great global solidarity pact.
International health bodies, pharmaceutical companies, banks, donors and governments are working together to ensure that when the vaccines are ready, they'll be available and affordable to all.
In Latin
America, the exact same pattern has been followed as in the United States. There are some countries that have a regulatory authorization for use in emergency situations, and in others we're working to make this happen.
23 million people across Latin America have been infected by the COVID-19 virus. Nearly 700,000 have died. Several countries, including Argentina, Mexico, Peru and Chile, are in negotiations to ensure they don't miss out when a vaccine is ready, trying to balance the hopes and expectations of an imminent end to the nightmare against growing impatience at the measures imposed to try to control the pandemic. Daniel Schweimler, Al Jazeera, Buenos Aires.